channel, and if you're new, what up? Today I'm going to be doing a collective hygiene haul. I have things from Walmart, Target, Ulta. That's going to include Native. Y'all know I'm obsessed with the Native candy shop line, so I had to repurchase some things since mine are still packed up. I got some of the really highly sought after Dove products. I have some skincare, so it's just a whole bunch of stuff. So I hope you guys are ready to see this haul. If you are, just keep on watching. So I'm actually start with the products that I've already used. Like, they've already been in my shower, I've already been using them, and then the skincare that I've already been using, so I can kind of give you guys like a little mini review on them. So the first product is new from Suave. Y'all know how I feel about my Suave body washes. I'm always raving about them because they're always A1, and I love the fact that their packaging is different. I don't know if they're just doing this for the springtime or if all of their body washes are now gonna come in this type of packaging, but I think it's really, really pretty, and it's kind of a step up from their older packaging. But this is the Wild Cherry Blossom body wash, and it says long lasting fragrance, 10 times the moisturizers than before, no parabens, no chemicals basically. But I love this. So it's supposed to be cherry blossom, jasmine, and black currant. Perfect for spring. This scent smells so good in the shower. Like, it literally lights up your shower. It's sweet, it's floral, black currant. I'm already a fan of that fragrance, but this one just smells juicy and sweet, but still floral at the same time. I think it's super pretty for spring, and y'all can see how much of this I've used, and I've been using it in conjunction with the Dove Cherry and Chia Milk Moisturizing Cream Bar Soap. Everybody and their mom has been looking for these products, the body wash as well as the soap and the body polish. I have the soap and the body polish, have not been able to find the body wash, but like I said, I've been pairing it with the Suave, and the scents are perfect together. Very pretty, girly, feminine, clean, pretty spring type of scent. So this one is really, really good. It actually smells heavy of like sweet ripe cherries. Like, it really has a heavy cherry scent. Super, super pretty. I can't wait to actually use the body polish because I haven't used this one yet. Still brand new in the packaging, but it smells exactly like the bar soap. It's not a cough syrup type of cherry, but I don't know, it's heavy on the cherry. It's really, really pretty. So happy to have those products. And then for the skincare, my best friend put me onto this. This is the Rock Multi Correction Hydrate and Plump Moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30. So I wanted a new facial moisturizer that had SPF in it. This one also has hyaluronic acid. It's kind of like a really creamy gel consistency. So it does leave my skin a little bit shiny, but I feel like it moisturizes heavily, which is what I need because oily skin still needs, you know, moisture. You still need to moisturize it. So it moisturizes heavily, which is what I need, and it definitely plumps up my skin from the hyaluronic acid. And then I'm good to know I have the SPF in it as well. So this one is really, really nice. I've definitely been loving that one. And this product took a little bit for me to get used to. This is the Burst Smooth Landing Advanced Retinoid Eye Balm. So they sell this brand at Target, and I really do like their cleansing balm. Their cleansing balm is amazing. It's just a little expensive for what it is, but this eye balm, my best friend also told me about this one. It's a literal balm consistency. So, you know, most eye creams are an actual cream and they come in a tube or a jar. This is an actual balm, so it feels kind of like you're putting Vaseline on your under eyes, but it absorbs into the skin. It really sinks in, and it also gets rid of milia. I think that's how you pronounce it. So if you have milia dots under your eyes and you're trying to get rid of them, then you would definitely want to pick up this eye cream. It's just gonna take a little bit of getting used to because it's a balm and it's like a really emollient consistency. But I really like this product as well. So those two skincare products, y'all are probably gonna see those in my upcoming favorites video because they've really been doing it for me. Like, those are good staple A1 products. So the next thing I have is from Ulta. Again, my best friend, she's always influencing me to buy something, but this is the Kiehl's Creme de Corps Superb All Over Body Moisturizer. She raves and raves and raves about this. This doesn't really smell like anything. Like, it does not have a sweet, creamy, vanilla or buttercream type of scent or anything like that. It kind of just smells like a body lotion. Like, it has that body lotion type of scent, but she recommends this for the moisture and for how it sinks into the skin, how it feels on the skin. It's like this very luxurious body cream lotion hybrid. And it better be for the price, because this is super expensive. It's not cheap at all. I did get it on a sale. Ulta recently had all of the sizes of this lotion on sale, so I felt like it was the perfect time to pick it up. And I actually haven't used this one yet, but I'm excited to. I would put this on first and then layer my Bath and Body Works lotions and creams. Y'all know how I like to do. So that's why I bought this one. And then I did re-up on The Ordinary lactic acid. I've already been using this, but I put it back in the box so I can show you guys. Lactic acid, I need this in my life, especially because since moving here, my skin has started acting up and I've been getting little breakouts and blackheads, and this does it every time for me. This is going to smooth my skin out every single time. You know, this is like a low strength chemical peel. It's like a chemical exfoliant basically. So every time you use this, it's basically renewing your skin cells on the surface so that you can get rid of those blackheads, you can get rid of those bumps, those pimples, any texture. So I need lactic acid in my life, so that's why I repurchased that one. And then the last two things that I have from Ulta are from Dior. Listen, Dior, they've been on my radar. I love the brand. They're very expensive, but obviously they're a luxury brand. So I did get a blush from them, and this is their Rouge Blush in the color 365 New World. I'm obsessed with this. I mainly use it as a blush topper because it is very glittery, like very, very, very shimmery. It has tons of glitter particles, but this is what the blush looks like, and y'all can see that heavy glitter in it. So basically, it's like that peachy pink orgasm color. It has like the gold shimmery reflex, but then it also has these pink and blue purple pinpoint reflex as well. So it's a lot different than Nars Orgasm when it's on your cheeks. It's super pretty. You guys can kind of see the shift. It is stunning. I love this blush. It's just so pretty. So really happy to have that. And it comes in this nice little luxurious velvet sleeve. And then another product that I got from Dior, this is the Lip Maximizer Serum. So y'all know I love the Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper glosses from Dior. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, let me try it out. So basically what it is a Maxi Hydration Volume Effect Extreme Hydration Lip Serum. So you put this on, it goes on like this milky, creamy color, and you put this on your lips, and it's supposed to prep your lips, hydrate them, plump them up, soften them, and everything, so that when you go over top with whatever lip product you're putting on, your lips are ready to accept that product, and they're voluminous, they're glossy, shiny, you know, like it's super pretty. I did use it today and I just love it. I love the product. Do I think it's worth the price tag? Probably not, but I did get it on sale. So I'm gonna say it's worth it if you wanna get it on a sale, or if you wanna use points for it or anything like that. I really enjoy it. And like I said, Dior has just really been on my radar. I've really been loving their products. So now let's jump into my Target items. So I did get a lot of Tree Huts and a lot of Native. So I'm actually going to start with the Native items. Child, why did I say I got a lot? I got 3 products, but it's a lot for me, okay? Especially because I already have all of these. So these are kind of like backups. But I did get another Candy Shop Gummy Bears deodorant. I should have got another Strawberry Vanilla Taffy deodorant because I'm wearing it right now and I love the scent. I love it. It wafts off of my underarms. It smells so good. The body wash smells amazing as well, and I did get a backup of the body wash. So yeah, I really do like the way that the gummy bear scent smells. So here is my backup of the Strawberry Vanilla Taffy body wash, and I definitely will be putting this in my shower immediately. I just wanted to show it to you guys first, but I love that one. It's probably my favorite out of the entire line, and then the gummy bear would have to be second. So I did not get a chance to use these as much as I wanted to before I moved. So once I got settled in here, I was like, let me order some more from Target before it goes away. But the gummy bear one smells amazing as well. I do really feel like it smells like gummy bears. Like it smells like an assortment of gummy bears. Very nice. So those will be going in my shower. And then I did get the new body washes from Tree Hut. So I'm super excited to try these because Tree Hut stepping up their game, okay? They're like, we got to give y'all more than just these body scrubs, body butters, shave creams. They was like, we got to give y'all more. So they came out with these body washes, and I love that every scent is a different formula. So for Coco Colada, this is their foaming gel wash, but it's the hydrating oil complex with pineapple and coconut, and it's supposed to be radiant and it's supposed to refresh you, and I love that because you all know coconut oil is supposed to be really, really hydrating. So I like that for the Coco Colada. It has like that coconut hydrating effect. So I'm super excited to use that one. The next one that I got is the Vitamin C Foaming Gel Wash. And this one is a hydrating oil complex with vitamin C and alpha hydroxy acid. So it's supposed to brighten and tone. And that's the same thing that it was for their actual scrub. The vitamin C scrub was supposed to give you a brighter complexion. And if you guys don't know, AHA is a chemical exfoliant as well. I really, really like that about this body wash. So I can't wait to use that one. And then we have watermelon, and I absolutely love the watermelon scrub. I still have mine, so I can't wait to pair these together. So this one is also a hydrating oil complex with watermelon and niacinamide. So this one is supposed to hydrate and glow, and niacinamide is for all the things, okay? It's for texture, resurfacing the skin, hydration, all of that. So this one is going to be super nice as well, especially for the summertime. So those body washes, I'm super hyped. I love the fact that they came out with those, so I'm excited to actually use them and see what they offer, see how they lather up and foam up and everything like that. Okay, so the last thing from Tree Hut, y'all know is going to be those new scrubs, okay? Y'all had to know that this was coming. So the first one is going to be Peach Sorbet. And right now, I have a lot of peach products, okay? Because I have the new Victoria's Secret Pink Peach, what is it? Peach Scrub. And I also have the Pink Peach Lotion. I have a lot of peach stuff going on right now, so I'm gonna have to put all of this in my shower and start using it. But this is the Peach Sorbet from Tree Hut, and this definitely smells like peach rings, peach candy. I feel like every time a brand comes out with like a super sweet peachy scent, it's always like peach rings, okay? But I'm not mad at that because we love peach rings around here, okay? So yes, this is super sweet and good, like peach sorbet. It smells really, really pretty. So happy to have that one. I also got the Blue Lagoon. This one is more of a fresh scent. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know why I was expecting something like blue raspberry or something, but this one is definitely more of your soapy, like pool water blue type of scent. So it's very clean and fresh, but I will definitely use it because I still like the Tree Hut Scrub formula. So I will use that one. And then we have the Vanilla Shea Sugar Scrub. Now, Tree Hut be playing. When it comes to their like vanilla and cookie type scrubs, they're always very lightly scented. They're very lightly scented. So this one is a super light vanilla scent. It's not super heavy and sweet. It's like the lightest vanilla type of scent ever. I don't know, maybe it will come alive in the shower. We'll see. Or maybe it will come alive when you add the vanilla body butter, because I did get that as well. So yeah, this one is super creamy. Kind of has a milky scent. It kind of smells like that pudding. Y'all know that like vanilla pudding that you could buy at the grocery store? That's kind of what this smells like, the body butter and the actual scrub. But this one just says for smooth and renewed skin made with vanilla fruit and oat kernel extracts and Kaleido Gold. So I guess that's why it has that smell. I think it's the oat in here that makes it smell like vanilla pudding. But super, super happy to have all of these products. Y'all already know I'm going to be dipping into all of these things for the summertime. I'm really excited about warm weather, especially now that I'm back here in Georgia. But yeah, really happy with all of the things that I got. So that is my hygiene haul, my collective hygiene haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Let me comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it. If you're new, you should definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Fragrance and Beauty Army, as well as that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.